Welcome to our YouTube channel Academy Ambala. This is part 3 of my video for class 7 chapter integers. Today in this video we will be doing NCERT exercise 1.1 question number 1. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. A number line is given there on the screen and places are marked. Now, what we need to specify all the marks, and we know very well that to the right of 0, all are positive ones, and to the left of 0, all are negative ones. So what we will be doing, we will be writing all the places and we will be getting like this, which is there on the screen, right? To the right of 0, all are positive ones, and to the left of 0, all are negative ones. So we have specified all the places, and now we will be able to solve the question. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Now the number line is in front of us and it has become very easy for us to tell the temperatures. Like, by observing the given data, the temperatures of these cities are as follows. Lahul Spiti -8. You can see very clearly there in the number line that Lahul Spiti is having -8 degrees Celsius temperature. Then Srinagar -2 degrees Celsius, Shimla 5 degrees Celsius, Ooty 14 degrees Celsius, and Bangalore 22 degrees Celsius. Now, B part. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? Now we have written all the temperatures and now it has become very easy for us to solve this question. Now, the hottest temperature at the hottest place, like that is Bangalore is having 22 degrees Celsius, and then temperature at the coldest place, that is Lahul Spiti, which is -8 degrees Celsius. Now what we have to do, we have to find out the temperature difference means we are doing their subtraction. So what we are getting here, 22 degrees Celsius minus -8 degrees Celsius, and we know very well that minus plus. So 22 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius, which is 30 degrees Celsius. So the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places is 30 degrees Celsius. Now, C part. What is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? Again, we need to know the temperature at these places. We have written all the temperatures of these places. Now, temperature at Lahul Spiti is -8 degrees Celsius and at Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. Now we need to find out the difference. So what we are doing is we are subtracting smaller from the bigger one, that is -2 degrees Celsius minus of -8 degrees Celsius. Now again, minus plus. So -2 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius. Now add this step, plus minus. So 8 minus 2 is 6 degrees Celsius. As 8 is bigger one, so we'll be having the positive sign. So the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar is 6 degrees Celsius. Now, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Again, we need to know the temperatures at these places and taken together. We have to check that at taken together, the temperatures is less than the temperature at Shimla. So we have written all the temperatures here. Now, temperature at Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius and at Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. So taken together means we will be doing their addition. So we have taken together, which is -2 degrees Celsius plus 5 degrees Celsius. Plus minus is a minus. So 5 minus 2 is 3 degrees Celsius. Now check the temperature at Shimla, which is 5 degrees Celsius, means 3 degrees Celsius is less than 5 degrees Celsius. So what would we say? Yes, the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla. Now, one more question was asked, so we will be answering that also. That is the temperature taken together is greater than temperature at Srinagar. So 3 degrees Celsius is greater than -2 degrees Celsius. So the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is not less than the temperature of Srinagar. In fact, it is greater. Now look at the second question. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? So the scores are given to us, which are 25, -5, 10, -10, 15 and 10, and we need to find out the total. So what we will be doing, we will be doing their addition. So what we are getting here, 25 minus 5 minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. So in the next step, what I have done, I have collected all the positive numbers at a place and the negative numbers at a place. So we know very well that adding these three positives, what we will be getting, 50, 25 plus 15 plus 10, which is 50, then minus 5 minus 10. So 50 minus 5 is a 45, 45 minus 10 is 35. So Jack's scores at the end was 35. Now third question. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? Now, the temperature at Srinagar is minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped. Dropped by how much? 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. So, temperature dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Now, it is dropping. Dropping means it is going in the negatives. That means it's a negative integer. So, temperature on Tuesday is minus 5 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius, which is coming to be minus 7 degrees Celsius. Now we need to find out temperature on Wednesday, and on Wednesday it is rising by 4 degrees Celsius. So rising means addition, it is increasing. So temperature on Wednesday would be minus 7 degrees Celsius plus 4 degrees Celsius. Now minus plus is a minus, and 7 minus 4 is a 3, and which one is greater? 7 is greater. So which sign is there with 7? It's a minus. So what would be the answer? Minus 3 degrees Celsius. Therefore, temperature on Tuesday and Wednesday was minus 7 degrees Celsius and minus 3 degrees Celsius respectively. Now look at the fourth question. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? Now this picture is indicating whatever is given in the question, that submarine is below the sea level and a plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meter. So height of plane is 5,000 meter and depth of submarine is minus 1200 meter. Now think why I have taken a negative sign here. Yes, just because of the word below. Below means it is going in the negative direction, opposite direction. So it's a negative integer. So depth is minus 1200 meter. Now we have to find out the distance, vertical distance. Distance is a subtraction. So distance between plane and submarine is 5,000 meter minus of minus 1200 meter. Now minus minus is a plus. So 5,000 meter plus 1200 meter is 6,200 meter. Therefore, the vertical distance between them is 6,200 meter. Now fifth question, Mohan deposits rupees 2,000 in his bank account and withdraws rupees 1,642 from it the next day. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. Now we know very well that the amount withdrawn is represented by the negative integer, so the deposited will be represented by the positive integer. So amount deposited is rupees 2,000 and amount withdrawn is rupees minus 1,642. So balance in Mohan's account will be money deposited plus money withdrawn. So money deposited is rupees 2,000 plus money withdrawn is minus of 1,642. Plus minus is a minus. So 2,000 minus 1,642 is rupees 358. So balance in Mohan's account after withdrawal is rupees 358. Now look at sixth question. Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to the point B. From B, she moves 30 km towards west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? By which integer will you represent her final position from A? Now again, if east is taking as positive and west is opposite to east, so what we will take the direction as west? It will be a negative. So the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer. So the distance traveled towards west will be represented by a negative integer. Now, distance traveled in east direction is given to be 20 kilometers, and distance traveled in west direction, because we are going towards the west along the same road, so it is a minus 30 kilometers. Just I have told you that the distance towards west will be represented by the negative integer. So in the west direction, we have taken minus 30 kilometers. Now what we have to find out? The final position. So distance traveled from A will be what? 20 plus of minus 30 kilometers. Again, plus minus is a minus. So it's a minus 10 kilometers. Why minus sign is coming here? Because 30 is having the negative sign and it is a greater one. That is why minus sign is coming here. Therefore, we will represent the distance traveled by Rita from point A by a negative integer. As our answer is coming in negatives, so the direction will be, the distance will be represented by the negative integer, that is minus 10 kilometers. So I hope that you all have understood all the questions of this video. Thank you.